Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between Vivo X21 and the Vivo V9. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now Vivo X21 sports a Snapdragon 660 processor with Adreno 512 GPU, while the Vivo V9 sports a Snapdragon 626 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. These are the AnTuTu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on raw performance, X21 is way better, so let's see how they actually perform. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. After that, I'll be doing the memory management test, and after that's finished, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones once again as a speed test so you can see which phone opens the games faster. Now with that said, let's get on with the first speed test. In the speed test, both phones were equally fast and responsive, with Vivo X21 performing slightly better for few applications. So you can call it as a tie, but I'll pick Vivo X21 as the winner considering the Snapdragon 660 processor. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Memory management is equally good on both phones, and both phones were once again equally fast and responsive while retrieving apps from memory. So in the memory management round, it's a tie. Now for the last test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens these games faster. While opening games, Vivo X21 was faster and much more responsive than Vivo V9. That's to be expected as X21 has a much better Adreno 512 GPU. So guys, on the whole, for regular usage, there isn't a huge difference between both the phones, but for gaming, Vivo X21 is definitely better. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.